Hello, in this video we are going to see how to get log of a particular type. In this case we are going to get log of driver and browser. So there are four types of logs: browser, driver, client, server. Client server applies in the case of grid network where we have Selenium server and Selenium server clients, Selenium clients. You can say grid and node infrastructure. So here run the test started running, and browser instance created, opening the URL, and let's open the report and see the logs. So we have driver logs is blank, and then this is browser log. Yeah. Thank you.